Are Tesla software updates really making your car better, or are they sometimes introducing new problems that weren't there before? Have you ever installed an update and immediately noticed strange behavior, slower responses, or features acting differently than expected? And are you sure you're handling updates in a way that actually helps your Tesla stay stable in the long run? In this episode, we focus entirely on Tesla software updates, why issues often appear after them, and how to approach updates correctly so they work for you instead of against you. Tesla software updates are one of the most powerful features of the vehicle. They can modify driving behavior, interior systems, energy management, safety logic, and user interface without a service appointment. At the same time, updates are also one of the most misunderstood aspects of Tesla ownership. Many problems that feel serious are actually temporary software behaviors that appear during adaptation. Understanding this difference is the foundation for solving most post-update issues calmly and effectively. One of the biggest misconceptions is believing that an update is fully complete the moment the installation screen reaches 100%. In reality, that screen only marks the end of the visible installation process. Behind the scenes, many background tasks continue running. These tasks rebuild system caches, recalibrate sensors, reinitialize software modules, and synchronize internal data. During this period, the car may behave differently than usual. Screens can feel slower, systems may respond inconsistently, and settings might not load perfectly. If the car is driven aggressively or used heavily immediately after an update, these background processes can be interrupted or delayed. This is why some owners experience glitches right after installation. The update itself is not broken. The system simply hasn't finished stabilizing. Treating updates as instant upgrades instead of system-wide transitions is the first mistake many owners make. The most effective habit after an update is patience. Allowing the car to remain parked for a period of time after installation gives internal processes the chance to complete properly. Even a few hours can significantly reduce post-update issues. Installing updates late at night or when the car will not be used immediately is ideal. Another common post-update reaction is panic when the car feels different. Regenerative braking strength may change slightly, acceleration response may feel smoother or less aggressive, and range estimates may shift. These changes are often intentional adjustments introduced to improve efficiency or protect components. Driving normally for a few cycles allows the system to recalibrate based on real-world conditions instead of initial assumptions. Understanding that software updates require adaptation time is the key to preventing most frustrations before they start. One of the most common complaints after Tesla software updates involves the touchscreen. Owners report lag, delayed inputs, freezing, or even temporary black screens. While these symptoms feel alarming, in most cases they are not signs of hardware failure. The Tesla touchscreen is the control center of a complex digital system that manages navigation, climate, media, vehicle controls, and background processes at the same time. After updates, temporary software conflicts can reduce responsiveness. The first and most effective solution when screen issues appear is a proper system reset. A reset clears temporary memory, stops conflicting background tasks, and forces the system to reload core functions cleanly. Many owners are surprised by how immediately responsive the screen feels afterward. Performing a reset after major updates is not a sign of malfunction. It is normal digital maintenance, similar to restarting a computer after installing new software. If touchscreen problems return repeatedly, usage patterns should be examined. Constant multitasking places heavy load on the system. Running navigation, streaming music, Bluetooth calls, and frequent menu changes simultaneously increases the chance of lag. Simplifying system use during driving helps restore stability. Closing unnecessary apps, reducing background media sources, and avoiding constant adjustments significantly lower system strain. Driver profiles are another area commonly affected by updates. Profiles control seat position, mirrors, steering wheel, climate preferences, and driving settings. After updates, these settings may fail to load correctly or reset unexpectedly. This usually happens because updates change how profile data is stored internally. The fix is simple but often overlooked. After an update, manually resave profile settings. This ensures the system writes the new configuration correctly. If profile issues continue, Recreating the profile from scratch is often more effective than trying to repair a corrupted one. Removing unnecessary profiles also improves stability. Fewer profiles mean fewer conflicts. Connectivity issues frequently appear alongside screen problems. Bluetooth devices may disconnect, audio may fail to start, or calls may lose sound. These issues are usually caused by compatibility conflicts between updated vehicle software and connected devices. Removing unused devices and repairing active ones cleanly resolves most problems. Keeping outdated devices paired increases instability. Recognizing that touchscreen, profile, and connectivity problems are usually software conflicts rather than failures helps owners respond calmly and avoid unnecessary service visits. Climate control behavior often changes after Tesla software updates, and this concerns many owners. Airflow patterns may feel different, fan speed may seem inconsistent, or temperature regulation may feel less precise. In most cases, this is not a mechanical issue. Tesla frequently updates climate logic to improve energy efficiency, cabin comfort, and noise management. When climate behavior feels off after an update, the best first step is to temporarily switch to manual control. Adjusting temperature, fan speed, and airflow manually for a few drives allows sensors and software logic to recalibrate. Letting the system complete full heating and cooling cycles helps it relearn cabin conditions. Relying exclusively on automatic mode immediately after updates can slow this recalibration process. Navigation and maps are another system affected by updates. Owners may notice slower route calculation, delayed map loading, or inaccurate positioning. These issues are usually related to background data updates rather than software bugs. After major updates, the system often downloads and rebuilds map data. Connecting the car to Wi-Fi and allowing time for downloads significantly improves performance. Clearing navigation history can also help if the system feels sluggish. Another mistake many owners make is reacting too quickly to post-update changes. Not every issue requires immediate action. Some behaviors resolve themselves as the system stabilizes. Others repeat consistently under the same conditions and should be addressed. Learning to distinguish between temporary adjustment and persistent problems is a key ownership skill. Driving behavior after updates also matters. Aggressive acceleration, heavy braking, and high system load immediately after updates can amplify instability. Software changes may temporarily affect regenerative braking strength, traction logic, or power delivery. Driving smoothly for the first few cycles allows systems to adapt properly and reduces unexpected behavior. Understanding how climate, navigation, and driving systems adjust after updates helps owners remain patient and apply solutions only when truly necessary. One of the biggest mistakes Tesla owners make is assuming that every post-update issue requires a service appointment. In reality, most software-related problems are temporary and solvable with simple actions. Knowing when to intervene and when to wait is essential for stress-free ownership. Preventive habits dramatically reduce update-related issues. Installing updates when the car can remain parked afterward, performing a reset after major updates, and avoiding heavy system use immediately after installation all help maintain stability. Keeping software current without rushing the process is far more effective than reacting emotionally to small changes. Consistency also plays a major role. Frequently changing settings, toggling features on and off, or experimenting with menus after updates increases system load and instability. Setting preferences once and allowing the system to operate consistently improves long-term reliability and responsiveness. Interior technology issues after updates often feel like regression, but they are usually signs that the system needs time, simplification, or recalibration. Tesla software behaves like any advanced digital platform. It requires understanding, patience, and occasional maintenance. The key takeaway from this episode is simple. Tesla software updates are not instant upgrades. They are system-wide changes that require adaptation. Most problems appear when owners expect immediate perfection instead of gradual stabilization. By applying patience, performing basic resets, managing profiles and connectivity carefully, and allowing systems time to settle, most post-update issues disappear on their own. As this series continues, we will explore other Tesla technology topics with the same practical approach. When you understand how Tesla software truly works, it becomes one of the car's greatest strengths rather than a constant source of frustration. Mastering these habits allows you to enjoy updates instead of fearing them and helps your Tesla remain stable, predictable, and enjoyable over time.